Okay, so guys, we are we are landing at the grotto,
1 plus
as
1
you know.
equals 2.
Oh my God, me and Faiz, marked at the same time. Me and Faiz,
China, the
no,
same.
not me, Mr. Zaid. Zaid is the world's best.
Same location. See, same location.
We are with the ultimate Zaid. I am too high. I'm going to be the last one to drop.
Oh no, some lag.
Well, I'm technically the first.
That's me. That's me.
First
No,
one.
Faiz is the last one. Faiz
No.
Faiz
Hey, some
is the
lag.
last one.
Hardik, some lag. So close.
Zaid, oh my God.
Zaid, you died?
No.
Hey, some lag.
For the first time.
Hardik, some lag.
Aha,
no.
I didn't
No,
see this
not
henchman over
today.
here.
Hey,
Hardik,
some
bandage
lag.
bazooka. Hardik, bandage
Give it.
bazooka.
Give it.
Yeah, bandage bazooka. Bandage bazooka over here.
Okay, I picked it up already. Thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Oh no, Faiz, come on.
Who died? Really?
Wait. I'm coming, Faiz. I'm coming,
Yeah, I'm
Faiz.
coming.
Lag,
I'm
lag,
coming,
lag.
I'm coming. Oh, you go. I'll give him the medkit
Go
though.
for Brutus.
No, I have bandage bazooka. No, I have
Leave it.
bandage bazooka.
Okay, but
Okay, use it, Faiz.
Bandage.
Try it.
Brutus.
you have it.
Where is Brutus? We have to go.
Yeah.
And we don't have time.
Hardik, come above you. Hardik, come here. Hardik.
Heavy
Hardik,
sniper.
Hardik, Brutus
Oh my
here.
God.
Knock him. Oh, yeah, knock him.
You are itself a lag.
Oh my God.
Henchmen everywhere.
I
Kill the
think you
henchman
guys
right now.
don't need my help. Do you?
Guys, I
Yes,
need the
we
loot.
need your help.
I need loot.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Guys,
Wait,
I have a
wait,
heavier.
Wait,
You want
come
a
here, wait,
heavier?
come here.
No, I
Wait,
have
come
some
here.
gimmicks.
Kill that henchman. Just a henchman, Zaid.
Guys, a heavier.
Zaid, just a henchman,
wait.
Zaid.
Okay, wait, I'll take
I
it.
am very low. I'm literally very low.
Can I guys ask where you guys are?
Come here. Come here, revive me, Zaid.
Coming,
Revive
coming.
me. The key card is more important.
Reviving.
Go down and kill that henchman.
I'm carrying enough meds for you guys then.
No, I have bandage bazooka. I'm telling you.
I'm telling about minis, idiot.
Oh, okay. Give me minis.
Give me minis. I'm very low. I'm only 24 HP.
I don't care.
Did you guys open the vault?
Hardik,
Yeah.
please, Hardik.
Guys, I told you before.
What, please? What do you
I
want?
told you guys before opening. Call me.
Okay, come.
I need it.
Wait. I need that. Yeah.
Guys, there's no loot that I can
Hardik,
take.
big half one.
Guys are useless.
Hey, I'll take
Who's
minis.
carrying minis?
I'm carrying
Who's
minis.
useless? You or us?
I'm carrying minis.
I'm
Give
carrying
me
half
I
minis.
didn't say anyone is useless.
Give me. You said useless right now. Give
Okay,
me
no.
that half pot, Zaid. Oh my
Okay,
God. Okay, you have it.
Yeah, I need heavier. I need that one.
I just marked one.
one.
I just marked the heavier legendary.
You take one.
Who wants heavier legendary?
I want.
Fight, you are lagging, Fight.
Yeah, I know.
Fight, you are running
Yeah, I know. I'm
running at
lagging.
the same place.
Yeah.
I'm the same spot.
I need minis.
I have minis. Come with me.
Fight, give me.
Yeah, I have minis.
Ashish, give
Hey,
me.
wait, give me that.
Come to me.
Hardik, give me that, Hardik.
Where are you?
Give me that heavier.
There's a half pot over here.
Give me that minis and half pot.
I can't take this. Why am I not able to take it?
Come
I
here.
just marked it.
Come here, Ashish, and right next to you.
No. Who wants a sniper?
I want.
Me. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sorry, my extremely.
Okay, someone can have the sniper.
No, I'm not.
I'm having.
There is there's no sniper, bro. That's the
I'm
problem.
having. Let me have it.
Come fast.
I need sniper ammo.
Where are those snipers?
Okay, let me
Guys, come.
have the sniper.
Leave it.
Guys, took it. Leave it. No, I don't have the sniper.
I have it.
I got a sniper which I got afterwards.
Go push me.
We are.
Guys, I have 3 slots.
I'm
Yeah, you can carry minis.
I'm carrying minis.
Okay, I'll carry.
I have 4 minis.
This bandage bazooka reloads so slowly. This bandage bazooka reloads so slowly.
Hadik,
Yeah.
How much minis do you have?
4.
Yes.
Carry big ones, it will be useful.
No, I'm carrying minis.
Yeah. Someone carry big one.
I'm carrying
Can we
minis.
give me
Okay, guys,
shotgun ammo,
have
give me
this.
shotgun ammo.
Okay, give me.
Guys, have this.
Guys,
I'll just check if
come.
there's any gun over here.
Zaid, come down. Press L2. Yeah. Now Ashish, come.
Ashish,
I'll be in the zone. Wait, I'll just take this.
What?
Okay.
Problem.
Let's go to
Yeah,
our
we're doing
usual
that,
place
we're
over
doing
there.
What?
okay, guys, come.
They're coming.
Okay.
Guys, come.
Is it guys come or fives come?
Hey, I can't come.
Guys, come.
I can't come. And I can't move.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
Faiz is
come.
lagging.
I can't move. Problem. Help me, Zaid.
Faiz, I know that you are lagging.
Yeah, I know. I can't move. I can't
Hello,
move.
Faiz.
Yeah, hello. I can't move.
Why?
Faiz. Come on, try to come.
I'm flying.
Get him with the chopper.
I'm flying,
Guys,
I'm
I saw
flying.
this thing green tab.
I'm flying right now.
Up green, come.
I'm flying right now.
Wait, Faiz.
I guess I'm
Why?
Wow, Faiz.
How far?
Impressive.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
let me
Carry
carry
it,
it.
someone.
I'll carry it. I have 3 slots.
You are flying.
Oh no.
Someone in the chopper.
What is this glitch?
Oh, that's Zaid.
This is a
Guys,
glitch.
I'm coming. Guys,
There is
I'm
a
coming.
glitch. There has been a glitch. Oh no.
1
What
minute,
happened?
Faiz, I'm coming.
I'm under the ground right now. I'm under the ground right
The
now.
drone is coming, Faiz.
Bye.
Come here, Faiz.
I can't move.
Faiz, come here.
I can't move.
Leo, I saw a medkit.
Faiz, come here.
I have a medkit with me.
I
Someone
have
wants
bandage bazooka.
Nobody cares.
bandage bazooka.
it. I said if
Guys, help
someone
me.
wants.
Guys, help me.
Someone
Faiz,
wants.
come here. Faiz, come here.
Have it.
I can't
Come
move.
here.
Zaid,
I
you're
can't
in the
come
move.
zone.
here.
No,
Faiz,
I'm
come
not
here.
there. I'm under the ground.
Faiz, come. Oh my God.
I can't move. I can't move.
Faiz.
I can't move. Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
finally moving.
Guy,
Oh, moving.
you know you
Oh,
have to
no.
come fast.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Wait, I'm. At last.
Oh,
I
you can move. You're going.
Yeah.
Say,
Go.
wait.
I can move at last. Oh no, again. Please. Move. Okay, good.
I have a sniper.
I'll use it.
Oh my God, Faiz. What are you doing?
Sniper.
I know.
Come on, Faiz.
Yeah, I'm
Ashish,
getting
you
out.
don't die in a slot.
I'm not
got
going in
out.
the stop.
I got out. I got out.
bandage bazooka. I'm telling
I
you
got
10,000
out.
times.
Help me, guys. Help me.
Guys, we need help. There's a fight going on here and you're carrying our food.
Shut up.
No, I can't move. Finally. Wait, I'm coming.
Okay,
I'm
knock the guy.
coming.
Knock the guy.
I'm coming.
Zaid. Okay? I'll just kill that guy. No, I
Wait,
can't kill
hey,
him.
wait, coming.
Let's go
coming.
push him. He's
Running
just one
away,
guy.
running away.
I'm coming.
Let's go push him. He's just one guy.
Wait, wait, I'm coming. Coming, I'm coming.
Follow.
I'm coming.
He's away, running in his chopper. He's running.
Chopper, chopper.
No, no, shush, shush. He's a different team. That guy is in a different team, man.
Guys, I'm
Okay,
coming
that's a
towards you.
flopper.
Ashish, can I have some air?
Oh, come here,
no.
come here, come here.
The same.
There's a guy, there's a guy, there's a guy, there's a guy.
Yep.
Oh no, he's shooting me, he's shooting me. I can't move, I can't move, I can't move.
Yeah, I just gave you.
I can't move. Oh no.
Guys, really.
I can't move. Guys
I
over
told
there,
you there's
guys over there,
flopper for
guys
you.
over there, guys over there. Oh, up. Guy over there.
Oh no, the zone, the
Yeah.
zone. Carry him, carry him, carry him, carry him, carry him, carry him.
Just carry me.
Just
I
flop
can't move. That is a problem.
I think I'll get hurt in this.
I have bandage bazooka.
Yeah, but
I have minis.
not a need yet.
He's not shooting you. He's carrying you. Why do you need to move? He's carrying you. Why do you need to move?
What?
Guys, he's
Guys,
carrying.
you're stuck in the zone.
Oh no.
Oh no, guys. Oh no.
Ah.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am
Are you
dead.
guys safe? Oh, he's killing me. He's killing me. Guys, I need help.
Yes.
Kill the guy over there, dude.
Yes, I'm killing him right now. Dude. I'm telling you.
Okay.
What are you doing? I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't know what the heck are you doing. I'm telling him killing and he's shouting. Are you crazy?
Ah.
For what are you building, Zaid? For what are you building?
Ah.
For what are you building? For what are you building?
Today.
This guy has a drum gun and he's dead.
Zaid. We can.
Spice is like from that time. I can't move.
See. This guy has a drum gun and he's dead.
Spice, you died. And
Yeah, I
then
know.
you can't move.
Yeah. Ah.
I can reboot a guy.
Yeah, that is fine.
Oh, wait, 3, 1. Ah!
Spice, Zaid.
Oh, I just-
Anyways, you-
So if you guys
I
this
just
is
respawned,
the
but-
worst
okay.
game, give this video a like, click the subscribe
Rating
button,
for
and hit the notification button to get tuned up for more
I
videos.
respawned and died at the same time.
Bye.